Michelle's Garden, How the First Lady Planted Seeds of Change. Before Michelle Obama was the First Lady, she was a kid just like you. She walked to school with her brother, rode her bike, and played outside every day. Every night, her mother made their family a delicious dinner with at least one vegetable. It tasted so good, Michelle would eat it all and ask for, "More, please." Michelle knew how lucky she was to have a healthy childhood. She wanted the same for her daughters, Malia and Sasha, so they would grow up strong. Shopping for fresh produce and trying different recipes made them excited to eat new foods. They even found fun ways to stay active as a family. They would eat a home-cooked meal together every night. Michelle loved to hear them ask for, "More, please." Me too. Me 3. When Michelle became the First Lady of the United States, she hoped to help all kids be healthier. She just needed a way to get them excited about eating more fruits and vegetables. One day, while walking on the White House lawn, she told President Barack Obama, "I have an idea." She would plant a kitchen garden. There had been other gardens at the White House, but this would be the biggest one ever planted. It would be large enough to feed everyone in the White House and its guests, and still have plenty more to share. A beautiful garden to inspire others to do the same. There was just one problem. Michelle had never grown a garden before. Where should she start? What tools did she need? And what would she plant? Everyone needs help when they're trying something new for the first time, so she gathered the White House chefs and gardeners to teach her how to build and care for a garden, and she invited local students to learn along with her. Together, they gathered everything required: soil, shovels, watering cans, and most importantly, seeds. A garden this big would need lots and lots of seeds. They picked a sunny spot on the lawn and got to work. They moved rocks, dug up the dirt, and fertilized the soil. Then they made a hole for every seed. Each plant had a section which was marked with a small sign so they wouldn't forget what was planted where. There was no rushing nature, but there were things they could do to help the garden grow big and strong. They watered the plants every day, especially when it was hot outside. They even defended the plants from critters that wanted to nibble their fruits and veggies before they were ready. There was a lot to do, so Michelle made sure everyone pitched in, even President Obama. The little gardeners were nervous. Will they grow bigger than this? How long will it take? I wish the plants would hurry up. But all their hard work helped the garden flourish until it was finally Harvest Day. Their garden was a success. Everyone gathered onions from the ground, sweet peas off the vine, and berries from the bushes. Some vegetables looked so delicious they didn't make it into the baskets. Everyone was eager to finally taste all the food they had grown. Michelle wasn't sure if the students would like all the fruits and vegetables, but they ate every bite and asked for more, please. So much food had grown from those first small seeds. There was plenty to share, so they donated to people in need. Michelle's garden started a small idea and grew into something bigger. She inspired more families, schools, and urban communities across the country to build their own. Now each seed sprouts new hope and brings us closer to growing a healthier future for kids just like you. The end.